Hi, boys and girls. Here we are for day 2 in our nonfiction unit, and we're going to talk about how you can research an issue deeply. So, yesterday you learned about 2 issues that you could choose, either water bottles, if we should ban them or not, and zoos, whether they're good for animals or they are bad for animals. Today you're going to continue with the same topic. Remember, you just pick one. We're going to talk about how to research your issue deeply. So I know this might be a little hard to see. I'm going to zoom in. The first thing that we're going to do is you're going to set aside your own opinion. If you think water bottles are really bad, you have to put that to the side. If you think zoos are really great, you have to put that to the side, okay? You're suspending your judgment, which means you stop judging and you have to be open to both sides. So what you're going to do today is we're going to gather evidence from both sides. We're actually going to do that in 2 days. Today you're going to gather evidence from one side and take notes, and then tomorrow you're going to gather evidence from the other side and take notes. So in class, oh boy. In class, I usually read to you The Thief of Always or Home of the Brave. And for nonfiction, our topic that we're going to research together so I can show you how to do things is A School Fight Over Chocolate Milk. Well, I know this is really kind of hard to see, so all I want you to do is listen while I read, okay? A school fight over chocolate milk. Milk, that icon of purity, has been taking some hits lately. By the time they are 11, children drink more soda than milk. The amount of milk consumed in America overall has fallen to about 20 gallons a year per capita from 25 gallons in the early 1900s. It's even on shaky ground in the one place it has long seemed at home, the school lunchroom. To appease parents whose children can't or won't drink milk, a quarter of the nation's largest school districts now offer rice or soy milk, and almost 17% of all school districts offer lactose-free milk. Most recently, chocolate milk has emerged as both villain and victim in a cafeteria drama that pits the milk industry, administrators, and parents against one another. For those who haven't been in a school cafeteria lately, 71% of milk served nationwide is flavored. In New York City, school food officials say fat-free chocolate milk fills nearly 60% of the 100 million cartons served each year. The rest is 1% plain. But chocolate milk can contain about twice as much sugar as plain low-fat milk. Wow. Chocolate milk can have twice as much sugar as regular milk. So that's something that I am definitely going to highlight. I know you can't see the words, but you can see the highlight. Milk is naturally sweet from lactose. Flavored milk also contains cane sugar or high fructose corn syrup, making it unwelcome in some cafeterias. When students went back to school Monday in the District of Columbia, they were served only low-fat white milk. Berkeley, California schools banned chocolate milk, and Florida school officials are considering it. There's a lot of pressure on flavored milk recently. Flavoring milk, some school officials and milk processors say, is the only way to get students to drink it. So now this is some reasons for chocolate milk. They're saying that's the only way kids are going to drink milk is if they put the flavoring in it. Milk provides a host of nutrients, including calcium, protein, and vitamin D, which recent studies show is deficient in about 3/4 of teenagers and adults. It's better for them to have some milk with flavoring and a little added sugar than to go without milk. So there's some more information. So I'm going to stop reading there. And now I'm going to go to my note page. Sorry for the lighting. I'm going to work on it for our next lesson, okay? So some reasons for chocolate milk that I'm going to jot down would be it's the only way kids will drink milk. Now I'm going to go back to the article and look what I highlighted. Okay, it says milk provides a host of nutrients, including calcium, protein, and vitamin D. So I'm going to go back to my notes and write that down. Provides calcium, nutrients, and vitamin D. Okay, this is for chocolate milk being good. The likely counter argument, that means against chocolate milk. Remember I read that part where they said there was a lot of sugar. I'm going to go back to my highlighting. Chocolate milk can contain about twice as much sugar. So that would be against having chocolate milk in school. I'm going to write contains 2 times as much sugar as white milk. Okay, so I have 2 bullets on this side and I have 1 on there. So that's about enough for me for today. Okay, so when you are done watching this video, you're going to go back into Google Slides and listen for the next directions.